Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hairlistabomb here again, bringing you another video. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about hair care mistakes that you are making, hair care mistakes that you should avoid, that are preventing you from seeing results with your hair growth, that are preventing you from seeing results in length retention. Plus, if you know you are interested in hair care videos, tip, routines and many more, make sure to join the family by subscribing to this lovely channel by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And now, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Some people have wonderful hair care regimens, like they moisturize and seal their hair, they wash their hair weekly, they deep condition, they do everything, and yet they still don't see results with their hair growth or in their hair length. These mistakes could be the reason why you are not seeing results in your length retention despite your healthy hair regimen. First mistake I'm going to talk about is brushing or combing your hair daily. Guys, if you are brushing or combing your hair daily, you are getting it wrong. You are doing it wrong. That is excess manipulation. The more you comb your hair, the more you manipulate your hair, and the more your hair is going to break. If you know you are combing your hair daily, cut it down, because this is too much manipulation. And that's why I always advise in my videos that you put your hair in a protective style, because when your hair is in a protective style, you will be less likely to manipulate and comb your hair daily. Cut down on the combing. I know some people even go as far as combing their hair twice in a day, morning and evening. That is actually too much. You are putting a lot of stress on the hair, and the more you manipulate your hair, the weaker it tends to be, and the more is going to be prone to breakage. So guys, cut down on the manipulation. The second mistake I'm going to be talking about is combing your hair from the roots to the end. I've seen a lot of people who make this mistake. Like when combing their hair, they start from the roots and pull on the comb to the end of the hair. That's not the right way to comb your hair. When you want to comb your hair, you start from the end and gradually move on till you get to the roots of your hair. When you start from the roots of your hair and you pull the comb down, the knots you are going to get are going to be bigger and tighter, and you'll be more likely to lose hair compared to when you start from the end. When you start from the ends of your hair, even when you have knots in your hair, you're going to detangle the first part. Then when you move up, detangle the next one. When you move further up, detangle the next one. That's how it is. But when you start from the roots and comb everything down, all the knots together get tangled and form a bigger knot, you're going to end up losing much more amount of hair compared to when you decide to start from the ends up. The next mistake I'm going to talk about is shampooing daily. Yes, it's nice to keep your scalp clean, it's nice to keep your hair clean, but guys, shampooing daily, shampoos tend to dry out your hair and strip your hair of its natural oils. So imagine using a product like that on your hair every single day. You're going to strip your hair of your natural oils, and your hair is always going to be dry, which is going to lead to breakage. Shampoos are not chemicals that should be used on your hair every single day. The length of time you should go before washing your hair depends on your hair. If your hair is more prone to getting oily, the more frequent you should wash your hair, but it should not be more than once a week, or if you want to go very long, let's say twice a week. But guys, washing your hair every single week, this is going to damage your hair, it's going to dry out your hair, and you're going to strip the natural oils from your hair. And when you do this every day, your hair tends to get dry. You tend to get in a lot of product on your hair, and that's it's excessive manipulation, guys, which is also going to contribute to hair loss and hair breakage. Daily shampoo is a no-no, like you should flee from it. Now, the next mistake I'm going to be talking about is ignoring your scalp. Your scalp is the foundation for your hair growth, guys. If your scalp is not healthy, there is no way your hair is going to be healthy. So you should always learn to take care of your scalp. Always make sure your scalp is clean. Always make sure to moisturize your scalp. You can also do daily massages, like massage your scalp daily to stimulate blood flow to it, which will promote healthy hair growth. So guys, always make sure to take care of your scalp. Never ever forget your scalp, because that is the foundation for your hair growth. If your scalp is a mess, your hair is going to be a mess. The next mistake I'm going to talk about is using the wrong comb or brush. I personally advise people to use a wide tooth comb when you don't know the right type of comb to use for your hair. Most people tend to use smaller tooth comb for their hair because they want your hair to get smoother and perfect. For example, to put in a bun or something like that. Always learn to use the right comb. For example, you can't just come out from a protective style and take a small tooth comb and start detangling your hair. That's going to lead to massive hair breakage. You start with a wide tooth comb, and most of the time I use wide tooth comb for my hair. I rarely use small tooth comb for my hair. I only use it when it's necessary. And even if you are going to use a small tooth comb for your hair, always make sure to go in first with a wide tooth comb to detangle and get rid of shedding before you go in with a small tooth comb, and that's only if using a small tooth comb is necessary. Another mistake, guys, is putting your hair in a ponytail in the same spot. I see a lot of people making this mistake. You put your hair in a ponytail in the same spot Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all through to Saturday. That's not right. The fact that you're going to hold that ponytail with a band and let it be in that same spot throughout the week or for a long period of time means that that band is going to create tension on the same spot throughout the week, meaning the same parts of your hair in that ponytail is constantly exposed to that band throughout the week or for the prolonged period for which you are exposing it to, and that part will now become weakened and prone to breakage. So guys, when you're putting your hair in a protective style, switch up the positions in which you put it in. That way you give time for your hair to recover and tension is not placed on the same part of the hair throughout that period. The next mistake I'm going to talk about is always styling your hair. This is almost synonymous to always combing your hair. When you style your hair every day, some people even style their hair twice in a day, morning and night. This is excessive manipulation and it's going to make your hair weaker and more prone to breakage. The number one key to hair growth is less manipulation. Just learn to leave your hair alone. Your hair does better when it's actually left alone. So when you manipulate it daily, putting stress on it daily, you find out that your hair becomes weaker and more prone to breakage. So guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.